Hi, good day again, everyone. I hope you're having a very nice day. Welcome again to another toy unboxing and review. This time we'll unbox and review the Porsche 918 Spyder from Hot Wheels. This is the red version of the Porsche 918 Spyder that they released this year. So this is from the Factory Fresh series, and this is the second car of that series. So this is from the L case here, so there's a letter L there, so that indicates that this is from the L case. So let's start with the unboxing right now. So here's the car. Let's open this one right now. So I believe that the red one is more sought after than the silver one, because I always find a lot more silver ones left in the pegs. Well, this one, you can see some hoarders buying more than one of this car. Oops. And the key differences of this one compared to the older Porsche 918 is that this one doesn't have the exhaust at the side. The exhaust on this one is already at the back, and the design here at the back is also different. The older one has two black lines here. Well, this one, you can see that it has a solid black paint. I think they have the same rims, and the front is also the same with the older one. So this one has front tampos, front and back tampos. So the headlight is detailed, and it has the Porsche logo at the front. The back has the Hot Wheels logo here. So like all basic cars, this one has a plastic base with metal body. The windshield is thicker because this doesn't have a structural support here at the side and at the top of the car. So that's why they made it thicker, so that when it falls down, falls over on the racetrack, the windshield won't crack. So this one, the interior is pretty detailed. So the steering wheel is solid. Again, really cool looking car, great details. This has a great potential to look even better with the wheel swap on. So that's my unboxing and review of the red Porsche 918 Spyder. If you enjoy watching this video, please do like and subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll be uploading more videos. Keep on collecting. Thank you for watching again, and goodbye.